Hello, it's me, Oscar from Marijuana Garden.
City is a massive land art sculpture created by American artist Michael Heizer. It's, one of the largest contemporary artworks ever built. It's located in a remote valley in the Nevada desert, specifically in Lincoln County, Nevada, USA. The artwork is immense, stretching approximately 1.5 miles long and half a mile wide. It's composed of compacted earth, rock and concrete, resembling ancient mounds and ceremonial structures. It took Heizer 50 years to build, starting in 1970 and completing it in 2020. Heizer drew inspiration from ancient ritual cities and monumental architecture from various cultures, including those of Native Americans, as well as Mesoamerican and Egyptian civilizations. Access to City is highly restricted and managed by the Triple Ort Foundation, which oversees the artwork. This limited access is partly due to its remote location and the Foundation's desire to preserve the site and the intended experience of the artwork. City is considered a monumental achievement in land art, reflecting themes of time, scale, civilization, and the relationship between humanity and the environment. It blurs the lines between sculpture, architecture, and landscape. As of now, there are very few, if any, publicly available interior images of Michael Heizer's. The artwork has been shrouded in secrecy for decades, and Heizer has tightly controlled access, documentation, and photography of the site. The Triple Ort Foundation and institutions like LACMA and the Dia Art Foundation have released only aerial views, distant landscape shots and exterior perspectives, mostly showing the vast abstract forms from above or at a distance. Even in major publications, images rarely show interior spaces up close. Heizer has deliberately avoided revealing too much, wanting visitors to experience in person rather than through images. The scale and physical presence are key to its impact. Uncontrolled photography could lead to misinterpretations or diminish the mystery Heizer cultivated. Some speculate that certain elements like underground passages or hidden chambers might exist but have never been confirmed. Some sanctioned documentaries include sweeping views but avoid detailed interior exploration. A few journalists and art critics who visited before the 2022 public opening described walking through narrow pathways between towering mounds and descending into sunken plazas, but no high-res images accompanied these reports. Some early drawings and maquettes hint at interior-like spaces but don't reveal the finished work. Since 2022 has been open to the public by reservation. Visitors must book a timed ticket and travel to a remote Nevada location near Alamo. Follow strict no drones, no interior photography rules. If you're looking for intimate interior shots, they likely don't exist publicly. Heizer designed to resist easy reproduction. The only way to truly grasp its scale and hidden spaces is to visit.
Thank you.